Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for editing videos. First, open Canva and select Video to begin a new project. You can choose from various templates or start with a blank canvas. Next, upload your video clips and images or explore Canva's vast collection of stock footage and elements. Drag and drop your chosen media onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen to start building your video sequence. Once your clips are on the timeline, you can easily trim them to your desired length by dragging the edges. To split a clip, position the playhead and click the split icon. Enhance your video with smooth transitions between scenes, found in the Transitions tab. Experiment with filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to achieve your desired visual style, making your footage truly stand out. Bring your message to life by adding text. Canva offers a wide range of fonts and animation effects for titles and captions. Select text from the sidebar and customize its appearance and timing. Next, browse the audio library for background music or sound effects to set the mood. Finally, explore elements to include animated graphics, stickers, or shapes, adding a unique touch to your video project. Before exporting, always preview your entire video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Make any final adjustments to timing or effects. When you are satisfied, click the Share button and choose Download. Select your preferred video format, like MP4, and resolution for the best quality. Then, share your creation across social media or with friends. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.